Good Friday evening. I am at a fully remodeled home in Kent today with real estate broker Danielle Guerrero. Danielle, what can you tell us about this fully renovated home?
Well, Emily, someone is going to win with this one. Not one detail was missed in the renovation of this home. Literally everything has been tastefully redone. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's a spacious 2,350 square feet. Downstairs has a second kitchenette and a second entrance, private entrance, which gives you the opportunity for multi-generational living space, and it has a huge entertaining deck, lower patio area with a fire pit for the upcoming summer.
Ooh.
Oh my God, there is no HOA.
Yay! You guys, if you're in the area or searching for a property like this, stop by today between 4 and 6 p.m. and be entered to win a Sky Viper Nano drone. Talk to me about financing options, strategy, interest rates, and APR, and take a private tour with the lovely Danielle. Are you ready to see this house? Let's go.
Come on.